Hi, and welcome to Starr Knows Credit. My name is Starr Carter, and on this channel, we talk personal and business credit and everything else that's going to help us level up and get the bag. So I appreciate you joining with me today. All right, guys, we are doing a brand new credit union by request from one of my subscribers. Let me make sure I get this name correct. The handle is April Table. I got it on the screen. So Miss April, I'm assuming that might be your first name. Could you review Georgia United Credit Union? And so that's what I'm doing today. So, and if any of y'all that's looking at this new or returning subscriber, if you would like for me to review a credit union, please drop it in the comments because that's what I'm going to be doing over the next few videos for the channel. I'm going to be reviewing some credit unions that you all request. So let's get into today's video. So we got the home screen up to Georgia United Credit Union. So what I gather so far from this credit union that it is a regional credit union, meaning that everybody will not be able to join this credit union. So let's get to the page where it says who can join. That way we'll go ahead and eliminate who can't join. So it is available to open the account online. Just starting your application with some personal information as usual, valid driver's license or state issued ID. You will probably have to submit those documentation just to prove who you are. Also, it only costs $5 to open up a savings account, just like all credit unions. It's $5 is usually the minimum on a lot of credit unions to be a member, and they have plus a $5 on-time non-refundable membership fee. So let's click on the eligibility requirements to become a member. It says that joining is quick and easy. So here are your membership eligibilities by county of residence or employment. So these are some of the counties that you can live in and be eligible to join here down in Georgia. All right, so then let's go to family. So family, immediate family members of Georgia United member or eligible non-member persons reside in the same household as a Georgia United member or eligible non-member. All right, partnership, employees and members of the Archdiocese, whatever that is, of Atlanta Catholic community. If y'all know what that is, don't be laughing at me. County employees of the Association County Commissioners of Georgia, employees and retirements of our workplace partners, Georgia Tech employees and retirees, state agencies of Georgia to include all authorities, bureaus, boards, and commission, University of Georgia employees, retirees, students, and alumni. Then they also have some school systems. So public school systems right here, Clark County, Clayton, Dalton, Dawson, DeKalb, Dublin, and a whole bunch of other ones that y'all see. Some private ones here, you can join by that. Also some college, university. So they got a bunch of ways to join if you are a part of these regions and also school systems. So right here where it said workplace partners, let's see, benefits you can count on. So workplace partners, I'm going to leave the link to this credit union if y'all are interested. So let's see what they got going on the banking side. What all do this credit union offer? So they do have 3 different types of checking accounts. Unified checking, you can earn 1% on balances up to $15,000. Simple checking, no monthly service fee or minimum opening deposit. Same thing as that one, or minimum balance. Then they got a Money Masters Team checking for 12 to 17-year-olds. So that's awesome. No monthly service fee, $5 minimum open deposit. So that is cool right there for some young person that you will want to teach them smart, responsible money habits out the gate. Let's see what they got going on with their savings account. Okay, so they got some really good interest rates right now. Higher earning savings at 4%. That is really good. Only $100 to open. That's good. Certificates of deposit minimum is $1,000. All right. So then they got a regular savings. This is probably the savings right here that gets you to opening the account. Hold on, y'all. I live by a train, so let me pause it. All right, so I think it is gone now. All right, so they got individual retirement accounts, IRAs. That's normal for most credit unions. Money market savings, minimum of 1,000. They got a savings account called You Name It Savings. This customer account is as unique as your financial goals. Tell us what you're saving for, and that's what we'll name your account. Open with a $5 minimum. I like accounts like that because really with any credit union, usually you can have a bunch of different savings accounts. I know when I worked in credit unions, I would see members accounts that would have savings for their taxes, savings for their insurance, savings for whatever, vacation. Also, Christmas clubs, which I see they got a vacation club, Christmas clubs. So that is a normal way that I have seen people, and I like the way that they are showcasing that, because a lot of people don't know that you can have multiple savings accounts. As long as you got that minimum, the one that makes you a member, the primary share savings account, you usually can have as many other savings accounts as you wish. All right, so I know y'all don't care nothing about all that. Y'all want to get to what they are offering. So let's go ahead and get to the personal loans. All right, so personal loans, they go all the way up to 100,000. Minimum is 500. So fixed monthly payments, flexible terms to fit your needs. Personal unsecured loans are designed for weddings, vacations, to pay off high rate credit cards, or to help with life's other unexpected events. So if you got some high rate credit cards right now, this might be an option if you can join this credit union. So this would probably work something like a consolidation loan, like a debt consolidation loan. That's what it sounds like in the wording. Also got new teacher loans. Our new teacher loan designed to help new teachers cover the expenses during their first year of contract with a low fixed rate in terms up to 36 months. This personal loan allows new teachers to focus on their students and not worry about their finances. All right. Then they got some shared secured and certificate secured loans. Enjoy low rates, flexible terms with a secured loan from Georgia United. Secured loans allow you to borrow money while using the money you have saved in a deposit account as collateral. These loans are the perfect way to help you rebuild or reestablish your credit. So this right here is a pledge loan. What I talked about on the channel, this is a good way to get your foot in the door with the credit union, especially if your credit is not that good. This is a great way to build some credit, as it already say, rebuild or reestablish your credit. So that's good. So let's look at what else they have. They got home equity loans, they got student loans, mortgages, and I know I saw credit cards. Yeah, here we go. Credit cards. Let's see where they at. Come on, thing. All right, so low rate credit cards that come with benefits. So it looks like they have two. They have a cashback Visa signature card. If you like getting rewarded for your spending, you'll love the cashback Visa signature card. Earn 1.5% cash back. Receive cash back on all of your purchases with no exclusions, no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, low introductory rate of 1.99% on purchases and balance transfer for 12 months. Then a variable rate of $14.99 to $22.99. Now that's really high for a credit union, but with the rates going up as they have, it was really no surprise. All right, then they got a platinum one, no annual fee, no balance transfer. This features their lowest rates at $12.99 to $22.99, depending on your credit worthiness. You could get as low as $12.999. I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Additional card features. Of course, a lot of these are standards. So this look like this could be a very good credit union for someone that is in their regions, go to their schools, or have family or whatever. This could be a good option for you to start a banking relationship. My thing is, and I try to stress this, when you are looking at a new financial institution, you need to make sure that this financial institution has everything that you need financially. That means if you have a business, I don't see where they offer business accounts. So this may not be a credit union for you, because I think it's good to have all your relationships in one bank. Let one bank be your primary. Now you probably say, well, Starr, you got multiple accounts. I do, but I have one as my primary, and I might have some little here and there just to get some perks. But what is your primary? Your primary institution should have everything in the house that you want. Okay, that way you are building a solid relationship with them, where they see the majority of your money coming in, they see the majority of your transactions, and that way you are building a rock solid relationship with them. So make sure that you're not just joining all these different credit unions just for, okay, I'm trying to build a relationship just to get a credit card. It may not be worth it at the end of the day, because it takes time to build a relationship. If your credit is not very good, 700 and above, and you got low credit score, low 500s, or low 600s or whatever, it takes time to build a relationship when your credit is not that good. So I just say, make sure that whoever you are joining is conducive to what you're trying to do financially. Just don't do it because, like I said, relationships take time. Just like our personal relationship, your banking relationship is the same thing. All right. So I hope this gives you some more insight, Miss April. I hope that this may be a good fit for you. And again, if y'all have any credit unions that y'all would like for me to review on the channel, I'll be glad to. Just drop the comment in the comment section on this video. And I thank you so much. Like and subscribe, share, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, peace, peace.